Hi, this is David Gomm in the Stained Glass Studio. Now this is a video that you might be interested in, especially if you watched the video that we just shot when recently about drilling holes in glass, because I got another type of bit, and so you'll probably be interested in seeing how this bit works as well as how we did the other stuff. So rather than add all this onto the end of the other video, I'm just kind of like this is like an appendage to it. So it's like I wrote a letter before, and this is the PS beyond it. All right, I hope you enjoy it. Now these are the drill bits that we have on our website store, and I've got one of them. It's a 1/16 inch, and I've put it in to where I found that if I chucked it up as high as I could, then it doesn't have as much vibration in it. I'm just putting one hole in these. See how fast that is? Those are pretty good. Should we do one more? I don't put very much pressure. Okay.